A ride in the 2016 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, Bose sound system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.